Nagsanib puwersa ang dalawa sa pinakatinitingalang mga institusyon sa media at komunikasyon para sa mga revolusyonaryong pagbabago sa digital television sa Pilipinas. Magiging magkatuwang ang GMA Network, GMA New Media at PLDT Smart Communications para sa paghahatid ng game-changing innovations sa technology, content at distribution. Pinangunahan ng pirmahan ang kasunduan ni GMA Network Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe Gozon at PLDT Smart Chairman and CEO Manny V. Pangilinan.
We have to recognize that for us to maintain our position as the leading, I will repeat, leading broadcast station in the country, we must evolve in accordance with the shifting habits and preferences of our audience. GMA will be upgrading the quality of its content as it sets the stage for a new age of television in the country.
We all know that digital online video is a very big hit amongst our netizens. So we're confident that with your compelling content and the connectivity we can give to you in terms of the network and our subscriber base, that this will be a unmatched partnership in the digital space.
Kasama rin sa signing event sina GMA Network President and COO Gilberto Duavet Jr., Executive Vice President and CFO Felipe S. Yalong, Executive Committee Vice Chairman Joel Jimenez, GMA New Media Incorporated President and COO Judd Gallares, at Senior Vice President and General Manager Dennis Kaharian. Kumatawan din sa PLDT Smart sina SVP and Head of Consumer Business Market Development Oscar Enrico Reyes at EVP and Chief Revenue Officer Ernesto Alberto. Salima Refran, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.